Tina.
She likes the hand, doesn't she? She likes that
Come
heater.
here. Come here.
Does that heater make turtles blow up? Huh?
What's she eating?
Can heaters make turtles blow up?
No. No, stop saying that.
I really thought that.
What are you eating, bud? What are you eating, Tina?
Oh, Mommy, he's stretching. Look at Jaeger, he's stretching.
You're a
He's
camera
like
turtle.
stretched out.
You're coming closer to the camera. You love camera.
His legs and arms are stretched out.
Oh, there's Jaeger. He's a small turtle. Here's big old mighty Tina. She loves the camera. You love it, Tina?
You said you were going to get it, lady.
Sometimes it's I'm recording and it's going on video, so you better stop crying. She loves the camera. Oh, she loves it.
Did you know Jaeger came in here? Jaeger just moved. He's right here in the tree.
Jaeger's not in there.
I know, I was kidding. Now that turtle can walk fast, can't she?
Yep. Tina, you like the camera? Come to the camera. Come on, Tina.
Oh, you like to skate? You like to skate? You want to skate, Soren? You want to scoot over? Yeah, the monkey in the middle. The turtle in the middle. The double turtles in the middle.
Same kind, but the big one's the girl and the small one's a boy. The boy's name's Jaeger and the big one's name's Tina.
It's a baby. It's grown up. Soon they're gonna get married, even though they're like that.
Do you like the camera? Do you like cameras? Cameras?
No, that's why
You like cameras? Oh, tell me, you like cameras? You like cameras?
He doesn't like cameras. That's why he's walking away from it.
You like cameras? The camera likes you.
Camera likes me?
Say bye, Jaeger.
Ask me
Bye,
if I
Tina.
like the camera.
Bye, bye.